If your phone looks something like this, you're gonna need something like this. And this is what I picked up, the ArmorSuit, just military shield. There's a lot of different protection armors for your cell phone, but I really liked this one because it came with the full kit of the cleaning kit. And it, the last one that I got started bubbling on the edges and it's peeling like this. This one said that it wouldn't do that. So I went ahead and picked this one up. It kind of looks something like this. Just like that, you got a new screen protector and it looks awesome. Highly recommend it. It was really easy. One tip that I'll give you is that this solution you spray on before you peel, you take the sticker off, and then the sticky part, spray this onto the sticky part. Make sure you do that because then you can slide it around the screen. You're not going to get those bubbles. It's not going to stick to your screen until you actually use the squeegee part right here. So just a quick tip, make sure you spray both sides and then it goes on really clean. Yeah, that's how you do it and it looks really good.